Hi, I'm Vivian Dancy. I'm the scheduling coordinator here at HR Staffing Solutions. We're always looking for qualified candidates like you to join our human resources team. Check out this opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for a benefits coordinator position. A few of the responsibilities that you can expect from this role are assisting employees with enrollment in benefits programs such as health insurance and retirement savings, conducting presentations and meetings to explain benefits to employees, liaising with insurance and savings providers on behalf of employees and the company, also informing employees of any changes to their benefits. If you have a degree in human resources or related field, prior work in human resources and or with benefits experience, and familiarity with payroll and benefits software, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, so this opportunity will not last. Apply soon. I look forward to meeting you.